welcome back to Vasha Vidya's YouTube channel. Hope all are doing good, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you will get all the notifications whenever I update the videos.
That you play. Come on, you want it. Come on and get it. Come on, I want it. 오늘 밤 미쳐봐, you and what, no one else. Come on, you.
Today's video I'll be showing a huge Myntra slipper haul, guys. Have brought lots of flat slipper which you may like. So without further ado, let's get in. Is this beautiful slipper from the brand called Brunch, which is so beautiful. They have given the detailing with this chain design, which is a wonderful thing, and this has a back zip also, guys, which you can easily wear. You can style it with jeans, midis, frocks. It is a versatile kind of slipper, guys, so it will go good with anything. So I bought this slipper for rupees 699, guys, which is a good deal. And two other color is also available, like white and tan color. You can go and check it. If you also like, you can grab it. Is this beautiful shoe. This is a cream color shoe which they have given a detail with this belt kind of design, which is super, guys. This is very comfortable to wear, and this slipper I have brought for just rupees 599 in Indian size 38. So this is so nice and comfortable to wear. This one you can style with like jeans or like even with kurtis also, which is so nice, guys. And in this other two colors is also available, like pink and black. You can also go and check that. Next slipper is this beautiful slipper from the brand called Desperi. This is in the cream color of shoe, which is so nice. You can wear it for saris, kurtis, everything. Even for jeans also it will go very good, guys. And this is so comfortable to wear because they have given the belt at the end. So you will not feel that discomfort while walking or something. So this is also very good, guys. This one also I bought in the size 38 and pay 699, and this is also a great deal, guys. Beautiful flash from brand called Desperi only. This has a beautiful detailing, like giving this golden work at the above. This slipper I loved it like anything, guys. While wearing also I feel so nice. It looks so elegant on your foot. This footwear is amazing. This footwear also I bought in the size 38 and for rupees 629 rupees, and offer is going, guys. You may find this in lesser price also now. So this is also so nice, and the grip while you walk also, you may not feel that slippery things while wearing. I felt so good after wearing this slipper, guys, and this been my favorite in this collection. All the slipper I loved, but this one is little bit attracting me so much. Next one is also from the brand called Desperi. This is in the pink color, which has this glittery work at the above. So nice. This is also in the size 38, and this one I bought it for 429 rupees, and this is also so nice, guys. I love pairing this slipper with kurtis and saris. Hope you also like it. Also from the brand called Brunch, which has this tie and this bow kind of design at the above. This is also open toe flats, which goes good with the jeans or any midis kind of dresses. This also I bought in the size 39, guys, not 38. This one I bought one size upper because I felt this may, because this tying is there, if size variation is there, again you need to exchange or return and get it another size. So I bought in the size 39. This is also so nice, guys. This one also I bought for I think 699, which is so nice. Slipper from brand called Anok. This is in the black color, and I think many other colors also is available in this slipper, which is super comfortable. This sole has so grip, and this is also very soft, and this design I loved so much, this high kind of design, because I have seen in the Big Boss, so that kind of design they have given. So this is so beautiful slipper. You can wear with kurtis and with jeans also you can wear if you're comfortable like wearing this kind of slipper. I bought this in the size 38. Indian size is 5. I have paid 689 rupees for this slipper, and this slipper is so beautiful and I loved it. Also from the brand called Anok. This slipper is perfectly made for kurtis and saris. I loved it because I loved this designs and all this kind of things. I love for kurtis this kind of slippers are perfect, and the sole is also so comfortable. And I bought this in the size 38, Indian size 5. I bought this for rupees 589, which is so nice, and it looks so good for your feet also. I love this kind of footwear for like saris and all. I prefer flats always, like rather than heels, because that gives back pain. And also I love wearing this kind of slipper. And if you also want this, please do check in my description. I will be giving the link there. And if you also love that, please comment below, so that I will be loving to know your comments whether you also like this kind of slipper. I loved like anything, guys. All the slippers are so versatile to wear and pair with any kind of dress. So if you also like any of this, and if you love my recommendation, so if you also plan to buy any of this slipper, please comment below, so I'll feel so happy to know that. So don't forget to subscribe, click the like button. So share this video with your friends and enjoy. Until next time, see you, tada, bye bye.